Burpee. Oh baby, it's burpee time. Don't be afraid. I'm gonna break it down for you so you can get the most out of this movement. The burpee consists of a squat, a plank, a push-up, a hop to squat, and if you're down for it, a rocket jump. It's a great movement to get your heart rate up and to challenge your entire body. Start at the top of your mat. Keeping your torso upright, bend your knees down into a squat. Plant your hands on the ground as you step or hop back to plank. Now perform a push-up. You can modify if you like by placing your knees on the ground. At the top of your push-up, step or hop your feet towards your hands, and before standing, look ahead. If you're down for high impact, finish with a jump. Otherwise, just stand up. Common mistakes of the burpee. Rounding your back as you prepare to stand up from your plank. Rushing through your movements and losing attention to detail. This is the burpee.